Hello guys, welcome back. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how to use your Android device or your iOS device as a microphone for your PC. So without wasting too much time, we'll head straight into the video. Launch your browser and in the search bar, type in Easy Mic. Click on the first search result that says Easy Mic. Use your iPhone or your Android as a microphone to open the Easy Mic homepage. I'll leave a link to the website in the description. We will scroll down to how to install. Step 1 says install the microphone application on your device. So if you are using an iOS device, clicking here will take you straight to the App Store. And the same applies for Android users. You can click on here and it will take you to the Google Play Store to download the Easy Mic app. So select whichever is suitable for your device. I have the website open here on my phone, so I'm going to go ahead and click on the App Store icon. So here is the app on the App Store. I already have it installed on my phone, so I'm not going to download it again. After installing it on your smartphone, we'll head back to the home page on the PC. Step 2 says if you want to enable the USB support of iOS devices, iTunes need to be installed. After install the microphone PC software, connect them on the same local network or use a USB cable. So there are two ways to connect the mic to your PC. You can either use a USB cable or you can connect them to the same local network. This simply means if your PC is connected to the Wi-Fi in your house, your mobile device must also be connected to the same Wi-Fi your PC is connected to. So go ahead and download the setup. When the download is complete, click on the setup and follow the command prompts to install it on your PC and click on install to install the Easy Mic setup on your PC. After the installation, launch the Easy Mic app. Launching it will move it to the system tray. So there we have it. When you right click on it, you see the start, stop and exit options. If an option is grayed out, it means that option is what is currently selected. So start is grayed out, meaning the mic is on and running. So we now have both the apps on our phone and on our PC. So we'll go ahead and connect them. As you can see, my laptop is connected to, feel free to join. And my phone is also connected to the same network. So when I open the Easy Mic app on my phone and I select wireless, my laptop would appear there. And when I click on it, it's going to connect to my laptop and I would be able to use my phone as a microphone. So would you. So now my phone is acting as a microphone. If you don't have a local network to connect both devices to, you can use a USB cable. My USB cable is Type-C and I don't have a Type-C adapter, so I will not be able to demonstrate that, but it's just simple. If you're using an iOS device, you just need to have iTunes on your laptop and you'd be able to use the USB cable to connect both your phone and your laptop and use your phone as a microphone. And the same applies to Android. Just connect the USB cable to your phone and your PC will appear on your phone, so you can select it to connect it to your PC as a microphone. If you would want to use Easy Mic when doing a screen recording on your PC, then go ahead and launch the screen recording app. For example, this is what I used to record my screen. Before you hit the record button, you would have to select Easy Microphone as the microphone you would want to use for your screen recording, so it switches from the default microphone on your PC to the Easy Microphone. So this is going to serve as the input and you would have to do this before you start recording your laptop screen. If you are an iOS user, you might encounter a problem where the mic disconnects after every 4 minutes and requires you to make a purchase. I don't know if the same happens to people on Android, but if you do receive such a notification, just go ahead and select make a purchase. You might be saying, but I don't have any money to make a purchase, or I'm not ready to make a purchase, but it's actually free. You wouldn't have to pay any money when you select make a purchase and you'll be able to use Easy Mic to its full capacity. I don't know why it's that way, but it's just what it is. And that's how Easy Mic is on iOS. So you can use this method to record your YouTube videos if you don't have a microphone, or any other forms of videos or recordings that require you to have a microphone, but you aren't ready to purchase a microphone or you don't have one. If this video was helpful to you, then please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.